Hey everybody, Peter Rose here with another video on the 1979 CBX restoration. Today we're going to be talking about the European Sport Kit, which was an option for the US market. The US market CBXs had tall handlebars and forward pegs. Not forward like a Harley, but a little more forward than the European bikes. Today I'm going to be opening up a brand new in the box NOS Sport Kit, which you can see the box is kind of old and dilapidated, but you can see it's the original box. American Honda. Not sure what year, but anyway, it's probably from 79 or 80. This is the box all the way around. CBX GP Kit. And there's the original part number. Looking at it again on the bike, so the kit includes, and I know you CBX guys know this, but some of you may not. But anyway, the kit includes the shorter handlebars, the throttle switch, which has the carburetor cables coming out of the top instead of the bottom, and the turn signal switch. The switches have to be replaced because of the shorter wire harnesses, and all the cables are shorter. Clutch, choke, and the throttle cables. And then you also get new foot peg plates, which set the foot pegs back about 2 or 3 inches from where the US market bikes are. So with that kit, you get a new shift pedal, the linkage, the plate, the brake pedal on the other side, and a bunch of hardware. So we'll go back over to the box and I'll go over all that. So opening the box is really a joy because everything is brand new and wrapped up. I think that's the brake pedal hardware that goes behind the brake pedal. Here you've got the right-hand switch with the throttle cable coming out of the top. This is the shift pedal. The brake master cylinder hose. Front master cylinder hose is shorter. Here's one of the handlebars. Here's the other handlebar. They have new labels that go on the foot peg plates because they're shaped differently on the Sport Kit. One of the screws for the handlebar switches. Here's the new left-hand switch. Here's one of the foot peg brackets. Here's the other one. They're beautiful. Then the rest of the box just has all the hardware, all the nuts and bolts and screws and all the cables, which is great because all the cables are out of production now. You can't even buy Honda cables anymore. So anyway, the Sport Kit is a beautiful kit, and it's great when it's brand new like this in the box. There's a lot of Sport Kits out there on eBay that are used. They came off old crusty bikes, but when you do a full restoration like I do, those just don't cut it. All the stuff is old and crusty, and it's very difficult to make it look like new again. So it's really nice to have a set in the box like this. They are available, but they're pretty expensive. You know, you'll probably end up paying, $1,500 to $2,000 for an NOS set in a box like this. But in my opinion, it's well worth it because it really does make a difference on how the bike looks at the end. Anyway, this kit will be going on this bike right here, which I showed you in the last video. And I will be doing a whole segment on the installation of the Sport Kit during the build. So stay tuned for that. Okay, thanks for watching.